My name is Nurul Natasha binti Isa. My matric number is A21A3010. I will present about the background of study. As a result of the numerous difficulties and barriers but today's technological advancement will present. After conducting observation on the subject, our organization has produced certain observations that are applicable to all users. Other than that, furthermore, this digital wallet will securely store payments card information for online purchases using technology such as near-field communication or QR codes. This will cause all users to withdraw money in cash due to the QR code facility. And then I will present about the problem statement. For this section, explanation is one issue that we may study in the exposure of this fraud to all students to be more careful in making any action on internet. Other than that, to determine whether or not that is cybercrime and areas that needs improvement. Among the problems we can access are financial knowledge, peer influence, financial literacy, and online behavioral platforms. This will assess current UMK students' understanding of cyber fraud and cybersecurity. This allows them to be aware of every changes in the student environment.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Shafiqah binti Muhammad Fauzi. My matric number is A21A301C. Today, I would like to present about research questions. Firstly, how does financial literacy influence the level of cybersecurity awareness among UMK students? Secondly, do online behavior patterns affect the level of awareness of cyber scams among UMK students? Thirdly, does peer influence impact the level of cybersecurity awareness among UMK students? And lastly, how is technical proficiency related to the level of awareness of cyber scams among UMK students? Next, I will present about 4 research objectives. Firstly, to investigate the relationship between financial literacy and the level of cybersecurity awareness among UMK students. Secondly, to analyze the relationship between online behavior patterns and the level of awareness of cyber scams among UMK students. Thirdly, to assess the relationship between peer influence and the level of cybersecurity awareness among UMK students. And lastly, to evaluate the relationship between technical proficiency and the level of awareness of cyber scams among UMK students.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Maisatul Izana binti Abdul Hafiz, A21A3002. Firstly, I will talk about scope of the study. This study aims to identify factors affecting awareness of cyber scam and cybersecurity among UMK students. It involved a sample of 300 students from various majors. This research applies quantitative method to collect data. Next, significance of study. This research helped university develop stronger policies and support system by identifying what makes students more aware of cybersecurity issues. It can lead to better educational programs and target training to prevent students from falling victim to cyber scam. It's contribute valuable data for better practices across sectors, promoting long-term cybersecurity knowledge that students can apply in their future careers and personal life.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Sakina Fariha binti Rastan. My matric number H1A3015. Definition of term have 5. First, awareness is the recognition of fact information and subjective understanding. Over the past decade, there has been a surge in environmental awareness, indicating a growing collective awareness of the importance of environmental protection and sustainability. Second, cyber scams. Cyber scams are deceptive scammers that involve monetary transactions and are exploited through digital means. Cyber scams impersonate trustworthy entities or individuals to gain victim confidence and manipulate them into sharing sensitive information or parting with money. Thirdly, cybersecurity is crucial in protecting network devices and data from illegal access or criminal use. In today's digital age, our dependence on technology extends to communication tools, entertainment, transportation, commerce, and healthcare. Fourth, financial literacy is the understanding and application of financial skills like budgeting and investing, enabling individuals to make informed decisions, avoid predatory lending, and achieve long-term financial stability. Lastly, technical proficiency is the ability to use necessary tools, equipment, or technology for a specific task, requiring a comprehensive understanding of technical systems and methodologies. Organization of proposal. This study investigates factors influencing cyber fraud and security awareness among students and university Malaysia Kelantan. It covers background, problem statement, research question, objective, scope, significance, and purpose organization. The literature review covers theoretical basis, previous studies, hypothesis statement, conceptual framework, and research method.
Next, I will continue the presentation by discussing the underpinning theory. The study explores how financial literacy, online behavior patterns, peer influence, and technical proficiency impact financial decision-making in the digital age. Using the theory of reason action (TRA) and the theory of planned behavior (TPB), we analyze the roles of attitude, subjective norms, and perceived behavioral control. Integrating these theories helps us understand how knowledge, social interaction, and tech skill shape financial behavior.
Firstly, for previous study is the risk of digital financial service has increased cyber threat. Misstating increased financial literacy to combat this risk. Financial literacy empower individuals to make informed decisions, reduce the vulnerability to scam, and promote the use of basic financial instruments. Secondly, academic research on cyberscam awareness and online behavior pattern has been a focus due to the pandemic emphasis on human vulnerabilities. Study explore physical factor, victim, perpetrator dynamic, and criminological theories, emphasizing the need for a comprehensive cybersecurity education approach. Thirdly, peer interaction significantly influences the cybersecurity awareness. Shaping individual and collective posture, positive cybersecurity habits can influence others, enhancing overall awareness. Lastly, technical proficiency is crucial in the digital age for reducing cyber victimization and enhancing cybersecurity awareness. Higher proficiency helps identify phishing attempts and scams.
Next, hypothesis statement. Hypotheses are developed to study the relationship between the dependent variables, which are the awareness of cyberscam and cybersecurity, and the other four independent variables, which are: firstly, there is a significant relationship between financial literacy and the awareness of cyberscam and cybersecurity among UMK students. Secondly, there is a significant relationship between online behavior pattern and awareness of cyberscam and cybersecurity among UMK students. Thirdly, there is a significant relationship between peer influence and awareness of cyberscam and cybersecurity among UMK students. And lastly, there is a significant relationship between technical proficiency and awareness of cyberscam and cybersecurity among UMK students.
And then I will present about the framework conceptual. For this section I will present about the 4 points, which is first, financial literacy, second, online behavioral platform, and the third one is peer influence, and the last one is technical proficiency.
Next, research design. A quantitative research design will be used in this study to understand the relationship between independent variables, which is financial literacy, online behavior patterns, peer influence, and technical proficiency, and dependent variable, awareness of cyberscam and cybersecurity among UMK students. This study will be conducted on UMK students randomly to measure all the variables according to quantitative method.
About the study population and sample size. For the study population, I will explain for this section the population students at UMK, the research aims the factor affecting the awareness of cyber scam and cybersecurity among UMK students, because UMK is one of the university based on entrepreneurship and business and is able to provide awareness to students related to cyber threats. They are becoming more. The sample size is for the next session is the number of observation or subjects included in the planned study is known as the sample size. This comprises a certain number of people, things, or data points chosen to statistically represent them from a broader population, because it directly impacts the study's dependability and capacity to extrapolate its finding to a large population size. Sample size is crucial in the research. For the last one is I will present about the sampling technique. For the explanation for the sampling techniques is, other than that, the methods that are included in this approach include stratified sampling, sample random sample, systematic sample, and more. The researchers will choose some criteria and choose participants at random from the population using the probability sample technique. Other than that, each of the above technique has benefits and drawbacks, and the selection process is influenced by a number of variables, including the research topic, the resources at hand, and the characteristics of the population and the investigation.
In our data analysis, we utilize two types of skills, nominal and ordinal. Nominal skills are name or label characteristics without any hierarchy, classified into categories for straightforward and efficient measurement. The study used nominal skills to measure qualitative variables in respondent demographics, specifically in section A of the questionnaire. The nominal skill capture demographic characteristics such as gender, age, current year of study, faculty, and program. Next, ordinal skills are quantitative measurements with values assigned in a specific order, representing levels of agreement or importance. Unlike nominal skills, ordinal skills allow for comparison between individuals based on the degree of dependent variable. The study used a 5-point Likert scale to measure agreement in parts B and C of the survey, with options ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree.
Procedure for data analysis. Firstly, descriptive analysis is a statistical tool used to provide a comprehensive summary of collected data using measures like mean, median, standard deviation, variance, range, and percentile, enabling research to identify pattern, trends, and relationships. Secondly, validity tests assessing individuals' cybersecurity, vigilance, and financial prejudice. The study examined demographic factor, awareness of cyber threat, financial monitoring habits, secure online practice, her influence on security measures, and technical skills for digital safety. Thirdly, reliability tests. This research explores reliability analysis, focusing on scale attributes and elements. It uses Converge alpha as a statistical measure to assess scale reliability in research writing. Next, correlation analysis is a statistical method used to determine the intensity and orientation of the association between two variables, identifying pattern and forming prediction. It involves computing a correlation coefficients such as Spearman and Pearson. Lastly, multiply linear regression (MLR). This study uses multiply linear regression to predict cyber scam awareness among UMK students, analyzing financial literacy, online behavior platform, peer influence, and technical proficiency as independent variables. Conclusion. This chapter outlines the research methodology for studying cyber scam awareness among University Malaysia Kelantan students. The study uses various data collection methods and carefully select sample size. The research instrument, a survey, measures student knowledge, attitude, experience, and information about cyber scam and cybersecurity.